Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 29 of snowing through my minis in January. I can't believe we only have a couple more days. I have my same $7, not my same $7, but the same amount, $7 that I've been doing every day. My binder would not be this full if I was using the same $7. But okay, so we're putting our $7 in here. And then we're going to get out our prop coins. Did I separate? Yes. So how are you today? How's your day going so far? Are you just starting? I do put this out at 6 a.m., which I guess is 9 a.m. East Coast. So some of you might be up. All right, so we're going to start at number 7. And I'm going to do a little mix of these guys. I moved Brian a little bit because I was trying to figure out, I just wanted him to hang out a little bit closer to the action. All right, so we starting here. Here's my D3. Let's go. 1, 2, and 3 for 7. A little vindication for you. 8 got 1. 9 got 1. 10 got 3. And we're going to go to 1. 1, 2, and 3 for 1. 1 for 2. 1, 2, and 3 for 3. 1 and 2 for 4. 1, 2, and 3 for 5, and we have 1 left. It's going to go to 6, so we're going to start again on 7. I wonder if I should take out the 75-cent one so we can get potentially a little bit more. I don't know. Kind of like those guys. There's only 2 of them in there. The rest are 25 and 50. All right, let's see. So we have 75 cents for number 1. And this one is from Norella's Budgets. So we can finish off the second row. So 25, 50, and 75. I love this. This is a member exclusive, but it says, reminder, you are doing really, really well. Keep going. Hang in there. You've got this. Great reminder for all of us. All right, number 2 got 25 cents. Oh, I'm starting a new one. Okay, so this one is from the Millennial Saver. This was a part of her Valentine box last year. Super cute little gnome Valentine box. And I think there's also a March one, a St. Patrick's Day one. And I did a New Year's and Christmas one. She has some really cute ones. I feel bad. I have not gone back to her Etsy to see what new stuff she has. But this just came out of that, so I wanted to use it for here. So I can do one of the hearts for 25 cents. So we'll just do that. And this will save us $4. All right, so number 3 got 75 cents. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So 25, 50, and 75. So cute. And then number 4 is getting $1. Nice. Teen Witch. I had to say it first. Okay, so this is from Financial Dreams with Christine. We get to cross off 4 hats. And this will save us $6. Teen Witch. Yes. All right, at number 5, ooh, we got $1.25. This is from the Budgeting Introvert. Look at how adorable. All right, so we can do 25 and then 25, 50, 75, and $1. Save us $4 when we are done. That's going to be me and Tahiti. Just kidding. Maybe if I say it more, I'll believe it, but I don't know. I feel like we've been saving for this for like decades. Okay, 25 cents. This is from Bookish Mama Budgets. Number 7 got $1. Nice. Oh, we only needed 50 cents. This is mine. You can get this free on my Ko-fi. I think there's 2 little bows for Easter. And we saved $4. So we have another 50 cents we can put towards a new one. Let's see. What's up front here? What is this cute little leaf one? This is from the Saving Supermom. So we have 50 cents. Let's do 25 and 50. This will save us $3. This was a YouTube member freebie from September. All right, and then number 8 got 50 cents. This one is Dear Santa. It was the cat from Budget with Tiffany 26. We can mark off 2 little kitty cats, so we have 50 more cents, and then that will save us $4. And then number 9 got 25 cents. And this one is from Becca Budget 777, so we can mark off another little lemon. And put this in here. All right, ooh, $1 going into number 10. Oh, we only needed 75. This is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So 25, 50, and 75. A little Hogwarts Christmas. Isn't that cute? I like the snow globe has a Christmas hat on. It's pretty funny. All right, so that saved us $4. So we have... Uh-oh. Did I take away the money yet? We got $1. I think we just needed 50 cents. Oh, I hope I'm doing this right. So I think we have 50 cents to go. If I'm wrong, I'll fix it in editing. Ooh, circles. What is this one? Budget with Tiffany 26. I'm good. I'm going to let God fix it, because if I fix it, I'm going to jail. All right, so we have 25 and 50 for this one. Yay. All right, so we got through the whole thing. It's getting so poofy. I need you over here, Brian. All right, so our mini spank, we need 4 and 4. So we need $8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's get our prop coins. Completed. We'll just shove in the $8 and then 2 more. This is so exciting. All right, day 29. Just a couple more days. I don't know why I keep trying. Oh. Okay, we're just not going to breathe. Just kidding. All right, so we did it. We finished 2. We're making really good progress. Just a couple more days. I hope you're hanging in with me. And then I do have a fun little new setup for February, so you'll see that on Sunday for February 1st. And yeah, I'm excited about it. I hope you guys have a great week, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Until next time, take care. Bye.